Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. We are picking up right where we left off with part 2 of our DIY Slat Archway project. Be sure to watch part 1 of this project on our channel to get caught up. Now that the archway casing is built and installed, Bernard went ahead and filled all the screw holes and sanded with 220 grit sandpaper. I also primed both sides of the casing in preparation for painting, even though I had no clue at the time what color I'd choose. At this point in the project, I was trying to decide between using 3 slats or 4 for the archway. Majority of our Instagram community voted for 4, and I definitely agree it was the right choice. It gave the subtle texture I was going for, while 3 felt a bit too defined. So for the slats, we're using primed MDF boards. These will say 2 inches in stores, but they're actually 1.5, so do keep that in mind. Bernard attached these to the casing using just brad nails. Ideally, you want to paint the slats prior to installing them. It's just that with our busy schedule, we really wanted to make some progress, and so we switched up our process. The corner slats were installed first, and then Bernard painted them, but I did paint the other slats before we installed them. Once the slats were secured, Bernard filled the nail holes and then taped off the sides for painting. So this is where things got interesting. I really wanted to go bold and add a pop of color, so I chose Retreat by Sherwin-Williams. It's a beautiful green with a gray undertone. Now don't get me wrong, I absolutely love this color, but once Bernard started painting, I immediately knew it was not the right color for this particular project. So I took a sec and really thought about what color would make the most sense for this project, and my gut told me to go with Iron Ore by Sherwin-Williams. Not only did we change the paint color, but we also changed the finish. Bernard actually repainted the sides and the slats in a matte finish. We made this decision after observing how much light was really hitting the archway, and it was a lot. I'm so in love with this slat archway, and it turned out exactly as it should. It's giving texture, dimension, and makes such a bold statement. I literally stare at it every day and can't believe we have this beautiful archway in our home. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.